Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to type moon symbol in Word. So this is very easy to insert or type. So first you need to click on insert, now symbol and more symbols, just click on it. Now font select this one, now need to type this character code. So just type 1F311 this character code and click on insert. Hmm. Now insert one by one this all, this third one and this fourth. So insert this all. Now I will tell this character code. This first one is 1F311, this first one character code, and second one is 1F312, this second one character code. Third one is 1F313, just type 1F31F, this fourth one, and fifth one is 1F315, this fifth one character code. You all name all, you show name also, like full moon symbol, you see this name. Now this one 1F316, just type, and this one 1F317, so just type it. 1F318, and this one 1F319, so just type and insert, and this one 1F31A. Now this 1F31B, 1F31C, so just type and insert, and this last one 1F31D, so just type and insert. Now close it. So this all are moon symbols in world. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.